Yijun Hardware provides high-quality sofa legs. Customizable specifications for your needs. Made of durable iron and stainless steel. Smooth and corrosion-resistant surface. Suitable for all types of furniture. Enhanced durability and lifespan. Affordable and easy to use.
Superior performance and appearance.
Stand out in the market. Choice of black, gold or silver. Guaranteed quality and delivery. Experienced technical team for support. Personalized product selection assistance. Unrivaled reputation in the market. Continuous product improvement. Customizable options available. Made with high-quality materials. Built to last in humid environments. No risk of getting damp or moldy. Superior to wooden sofa legs. Transform your furniture with Yijun Hardware products.